Gold since yesterday has not made too many changes. We can see that there is only a small bullish candle created yesterday. If you have watched yesterday's analysis, I have mentioned after this bearish breakout that has been formed on the daily time frame below this area of support 3350.58, which is currently acting as a resistance, there is a high probability the price returns back to this area of resistance, testing it as a resistance and then returning back down below. For now, the price yesterday created a small bullish candle trying to move further up, reaching an area of resistance, and we can see that today's candle has continued that move, the same move, targeting the resistance level 3350.58. Let's see what has happened yesterday. Since the morning, we can see that this bearish candle that has been formed and stopped at this area of support 3325.75 has continued to lose its value and going further down all the way to 3295.24. From here, the price found enough demand zone, which means the buyers are waiting here, and also the sellers have exited their trades. That has pushed the price from here down to here. The price has returned back up and has created this retrace, a bounce from this area of support, and we can see after that the price is trying to move further up. For now, we can see that the price is targeting the price level I have mentioned yesterday, and that means around here, around 3344. We can see that, and also around this one, 3340, and it has reached it currently right now. So yesterday analysis has been successful, we can see that, and the price is returning all the way back to the area of resistance, very close to it. Now, the same scenario stays as yesterday. What I have mentioned, if the price reaches this area, which means it will try to target this area of resistance 3350.58. Will that happen? Well, as it looks right now, it will reach this area of resistance 3350.58, and from there we will see how the price will behave. Will the price manage to make a the bullish breakout going further up, or it will bounce from this area of resistance and then return back down? The daily time frame currently shows us that we have a bearish candle that is targeting the next support level. It means around this area here, around 3290 as a round number. It has come very close with this bearish candle. So this bearish candle doesn't have too much strength to push the price further down. There is a possibility that the price retraces all the way back up, going above this area of resistance, but this is something that we need to see and wait until the market makes a move. When the market makes a move, and that means a bullish or bearish breakout, this will be a trigger for us to follow the market and enter the trade. So for now, currently I am waiting for the price reaches this area of resistance. When it reaches, I will see from the 1 hour time frame how the price is behaving, to the 4 hour time frame to see also how the price is behaving around this area of resistance. If we have a bullish breakouts and also bullish signals, this is something that will give us information to enter the trade. For example, this bullish engulfing candle is also a great signal that the price is continuing to rise in value. So this one, as it looks right now, we can see it has encompassed several candles before, and it has closed, the close price is above these open and close price, which means there is enough bullish strength that has took over all the sellers that are waiting here, so the price is trying to move further up. So I'm expecting that the price will reach higher price levels, and that means for sure, for currently on the lower scale, this will be 3344. So this is the small target in the next few minutes. If you go to the 4 hour time frame, we will see that the price has gone above this area of resistance. It has returned back down to test as a support, and it is currently heading up. Currently on the 4 hour time frame, we do not have a candle that has closed above this area of open and close price of these two candles, and above these two, which means this bullish momentum that is currently active on the market on the 4 hour time frame still do not have a clear information. We can see that the candle is currently going up, but the candle has not closed. So what we'll do, as I have explained, waiting for a clear information what happens around this area of resistance. But today the target is this 3350.58, a resistance level. From there we will see how the price behaves. Also, do not forget, there is also a link below in the description to join a premium group where I share the details with the traders when this breakout happens on the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. So they are informed, and also they get information what is the take profit level, what is the stop loss, and also what is the entry level. So they can also join and also follow the market when the market makes a move. This premium group doesn't have only gold, it has also silver and all of these symbols that you can see currently here. When there is a signal on one of these, I send information to the traders so they get informed on time, so they can also enter the trade to make their own decision to enter the trade. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.